I've been seeing some people do this, and seeing as I'm about to move out of my apartment, I'll show you guys how I live on the other side of the world. Currently, I am living in Shenyang, which is the northeast part of China. I'm originally from Wisconsin, so the weather here is basically the same. I moved here about a year ago, and this is the entrance to my place. The lobby is decorated kind of like traditional Chinese, which is kind of cool, but it feels a little old. And then here are where all the deliveries and whatnot are made, and you just come pick them up. So we'll get in the elevator, and you just scan your key fob. There's 12 buildings in my community, and each one has 58 floors. We'll just skip past this part because it takes like a whole minute to go up to the 32nd floor. Your ears pop and everything. And this is the hallway going to where the apartment doors are at. My neighbors have a rabbit for some reason out here. I don't know why, but we'll say hello. Seems pretty healthy. Everything's pretty chill about it. Then we go into where the apartment doors are. I try to decorate my door for the holidays. These are from the previous Chinese New Year, and I don't have a key. I just need my finger to unlock it, and we'll go inside. I'll take off my jacket and then get on my slippers because it's customary here. And this is my place. I live by myself, but I have a bunch of slippers because people come over to hang out. Living rooms aren't usually this big in China, but seeing as I'm an American, I want to feel more like I'm back home. But the couch is the landlord's. The TV is mine. I have the computer hooked up to it. Also, the floors are heated, so I don't really need to wear slippers, but I like to. And here's the kitchen. I have an oven, which is uncommon in China, and a dishwasher, which is also uncommon. Here's the laundry / storage room. My washer is also a dryer, so I don't have to have both. And dryers are not common in China as well. The fridge is a little small, but it's just me in this house, so I don't really have to worry. Here's the dining room. These couches are supposed to be in the second bedroom because they turn out into a bed. And then here's the view of the street. The street on the left is one of the most busy streets in Shenyang. So getting around in a taxi or their Uber called Didi is kind of annoying. Here's me saying what's up. Then this is the second bedroom that I kind of converted into like a gaming room. There's shelving, and here's the landlord's TV that I didn't really like. Then we'll head to the second bathroom. It just has a stand-up shower, nothing too special. Then this is the main bedroom. The bathroom has a see-through window, a heated toilet, and a full bath. Then this is my room, the master bedroom, which is the final stop on this tour. Now, I'd like you to guess how much it is per month. But I should tell you we pay 3 months or 6 months all at once.